Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be showing you 5 handbags in my collection that I actually think are worth the money. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like this a lot, but today we do have a top 5 bags in my collection that I think are worth it video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone, how are you doing today? I wanted to make this video because I do have quite a few handbags in my collection, but there are some bags that I definitely think are not worth the money. Like, I would never recommend them to you to like go out and buy because they're either too expensive or they're just not practical enough. So I do have 5 bags here that I do think are actually worth the money and that I think that you would get a lot of wear out of. I think that they would like stand the test of time. I think that you would have them for a long time and they could be like passed down through generations and all that good stuff. This video is not going to be in any particular order, so like number 5 is not going to be better than number 1. We're just kind of throwing the numbers around in this video. So starting off with number 5, I have the Marc Jacobs tote bag. I really love this bag. I think this is pretty much a perfect everyday bag. It is not crazy expensive. It's in that contemporary price point. This used to be the mini size, but then they changed it and now this is the small, I believe. And let me see how much this is. Maybe $350? $395. So $395 for the small tote bag. I don't think that is awful. I think that that is pretty comparable with like other contemporary brands like Coach, Tory Burch, around that same type of price point. But yeah, this is a full leather bag for $395 and it's pretty big. Like, it's pretty spacious and it's really big on the inside. It does come with a crossbody strap as well. It is kind of like a grained leather too, so you can see the grains there. It is very durable. You could take this out in the rain. It's not gonna harm it or anything. This would be great for like if you have kids and if you don't need to carry like a big diaper bag with you, but you wanted something that still is pretty spacious and will hold a lot, this would be fantastic. I think that this bag is just really good for every day. I think you can carry this pretty much any time of year as well. This color I got on Amazon and it's in the color Twine. I don't know if this color is available anymore. Again, I got mine from Amazon. Yeah, and it does even have a zipper at the top as well in case you want to zip everything closed, you can do that. And it's just got a lot of space. It even has like one kind of slip pocket in the back here. It's got a few other pockets in case you need to like organize things inside of here. I just think this bag is really great for literally anything. Any time of year, any task, I guess, that you needed to do, it can do. It will hold a Kindle, it will hold a book, it will hold a water bottle. Such a good little handbag, and I think she is absolutely, without a doubt, worth the money. Fantastic. On my number 4 spot, we have another more contemporary brand, and this is absolutely going to be the SONGM Luna bag. If you have seen me review this bag, if you see me like give SONGM's praises, it's because of this bag. This bag is so fun. It's so innovative as well because this is literally a 4-in-1 type of bag. I've done a full review and an unboxing of this bag, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it down below for you so you can check that out. But yeah, this is again a 4-in-1. So you have this style that you can wear, kind of like a shoulder bag situation, but then these little things right here, they do come off. So you can then turn this and make it into like a cute little night out bag, a cute little kind of mini Jody-esque kind of dumpling bag you can do. So stinking cute. And then you can take this piece, put it up here, and then have kind of like a chic avant-garde type of top handle situation. And then it does also come with a crossbody strap as well. So this bag, I want to say, is like $350. I think it's cheaper than the Marc Jacobs tote bag, but let me check. Yeah, $349, and they have so many colors. Not to sound like one of those people that's like, I bought it when it was new. Like, I don't mean it like that, but I bought this when SONGM was relatively new. I know they've popped off now, which I'm so glad about, but I bought this a few years ago when they were relatively new and they were just starting to come on the scene, and they only had like 3 colors. 4 colors maybe, but now they have like 10 colors. It's crazy. So happy for SONGM that they're still doing so well. Again, this is still a full leather handbag. And again, it's a pretty decent size. Like, it's not small by any means. So you can fit a decent amount of stuff in here. Again, here is the crossbody strap. And then on the inside, it's got this really, really nice green interior. Just for the fact that this can literally take you from daytime. You can wear this like to go into the office. You can wear this to do errands. You can pretty much wear this anytime during the day. And then let's say your friend texts you at like 5 or 6 and they're like, hey, you want to go get drinks? You can take off these little things and wear it as a cutie little night out bag or something. I love it. I think this bag is just so innovative. I haven't had any quality issues. The leather has still been incredible. It's still very, very soft. Yeah, SONGM Luna bag is definitely on my number 4 spot. On my number 3 spot, we're getting into the more, I guess, high-end luxury brands, but this one is going to be my Gucci GG shoulder bag. This is one of my favorite bags in my collection. I really, really do love this bag. I feel like I have to say every time I talk about it, it was a special edition one. They still do have this exact same style at Gucci right now, but it won't have the strawberry charm. This part was the special edition part, the strawberry charm, and this pull tassel is different now. So just be aware of that, but they still do have this exact same style. One reason why I love this bag so much is because it's pretty much indestructible. This Gucci canvas is so sturdy and so strong that like you can take this anywhere. You can take it out in the rain. You can take it during like a snowstorm. Like, I wouldn't recommend it. Like, I wouldn't just put your bag through unnecessary trauma, but you can take this bag pretty much anywhere. Anywhere you want to, it will be fine. This bag also comes with a crossbody strap as well, and then of course this little cute chain strap, and then it is fully removable so you can put on any strap that you want. So this chain strap does come off, and then the crossbody strap I don't have because it's currently inside of one of my other bags. See, here's my other strap. This does not come with the bag. I just bought this from Etsy, and it's just another strap that I like to use sometimes if I don't want to carry a crossbody and if I don't want to carry the gold. Then on the inside, it's just kind of like a microfiber kind of lining on the inside. But this bag, when I bought it, was like $1,900 or like $1,800. It was not even $2,000 when I bought it a few years ago. I'm not sure if Gucci had like a big price increase or anything, but this bag I feel like is so worth it because number one, it's indestructible pretty much. Also, I think the style is going to be around for a very long time. It's just a cutie little shoulder bag. I mean, like, this type of style is going to be around for pretty much ever. I know we are still in that whole like Y2K resurgence, so it is super popular right now, but even after we get past that, I think this bag will still really be around. It will be still very popular even then. And then the fact that it also comes with a crossbody strap as well, I think is just a really, really good price. If they're still below $2,000, I would highly recommend grabbing this. I know it is canvas and it's not leather, so I know some people won't like that, but I just think it's so worth it. And it's just kind of hard now to find a really good bag for like under $2,000, so definitely recommend that one. Now we're going to go into my number 4 spot. Again, no particular order, or let's see. I did number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2. This is number 2 spot. I got confused. So it is going to be my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I know some people are going to be like, what do you mean? That is not worth it at all. I beg to differ. I love this bag. I love this bag with my entire heart. I really feel like, okay, I know I say that it's worth the price. I don't think I can't say that. I think this bag is kind of expensive. Let me see how much it is now. So this bag is currently $1,800, and I think that's roughly around what it was when I paid for it, so I don't think it's had any kind of like big price increase, but I just love this bag. This is one of my favorite bags in my entire collection. I'm obsessed with this bag. I still love it to pieces. I still use it all the time just because it is just that bitch. I love it so, so much. Do I think $1,900 or $1,800 is a little bit expensive for this tiny little guy? Yes, maybe, but I still do think it's worth the price, to be honest, in my humble opinion. It does come with a crossbody strap. It is detachable as well. The crossbody strap is removable, which I do love. And then I do love that it comes pre-treated, so you don't have to worry about water spots or anything like that. It is pre-treated vachetta. I think it works with any time of the year. It works with pretty much any outfit, unless you're going to a very fancy formal event. Maybe that is when I wouldn't wear this, but other than that, it's pretty much good for every single day. And this bag does fit more than people think. Genuinely, this bag fits a really decent amount of stuff. Like, because it's so wide and it's kind of like a duffel bag shape, it still fits a really good amount of stuff down at the bottom just because it's so wide. So yeah, I think this bag is definitely worth it. It's still one of my babies. Genuinely, I love it so much. And I do love that it comes with a crossbody strap, so you have that option as well. I think this bag is amazing, and I do think that it will also stand the test of time because Louis Vuitton monogram is really durable as well. I don't think that you're gonna have any problems with this bag. This one can definitely go out in the rain if you had to. Definitely on my number 2 spot, the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. On my number 1 spot, again, it doesn't necessarily matter. None of these bags are better than the others in this video, so number 1 doesn't really mean much, but who do we think it's gonna be? Leave me a comment down below telling me who you think my number 1 spot's gonna be. Did you guess that it was my Celine Ava Triomphe bag? Yes, this bag, I, without a shadow of a doubt, think this is worth the money. I love this bag with every fiber of my being. It is, again, one of my favorite bags in my entire collection. I wear this bag religiously at least 3 times a week, if not more. I wear this bag all the time. I wore this bag a lot in New York as well. It really held up great. This bag has like double security on it, so if you are somebody that needs that, it has this button closure, and then it also has a zip if you like that. It does not have any crossbody strap or anything. It is pretty much only a shoulder bag, but you can adjust it a little bit. So if you want it to be a bit of a lower shoulder bag or a higher shoulder bag. I just love the color. It is a very smooth leather as well. It's not grained. This bag fits a decent amount of stuff as well. It fits roughly the same amount as this one. This one might fit a tiny bit more, and then it also roughly fits the same as my Gucci bag. Maybe it fits a tiny bit more than the Gucci, but yeah, it's roughly around the same. But this bag is just perfect in every way. This one I do believe was the most expensive out of all of these bags. I think it's like $2,500. So now it's $2,600. I feel like when I bought it, I got it for $2,500. Maybe if I can go to my online account and see. Oh no, it's still $2,600. So when I bought it, it has not had a price increase or anything. So when I bought it, it was $2,600. It's still $2,600. I love that as well, because I don't think Celine really does that many price increases. I think that's great. And yeah, this bag is just perfect. I can fit everything I need to in here. I just love the look of it. It's so timeless. It's so classy. This bag is absolutely going to, again, stand the test of time. It's pretty much going to stay on trend for a long time too. It does have that very classic half moon shape that I think is amazing. Very trendy at the moment for that Y2K kind of resurgence, but even after that goes away, this type of shape is always gonna be in my opinion. This bag is also insanely comfortable to wear. Even if I have all of my stuff in it and it's kind of like on the heavier side, the bag is not heavy, but like when you put your stuff in it, depending on what you carry, it might get heavy. So if it's on the heavier side, it's still super comfortable to wear. I've never had an issue with this bag that I've been like, oh, it's hurting my shoulder, or oh my god, it hurts so bad. It doesn't. I think it is so comfy. I genuinely think this bag is so worth it, because I do think this is going to be one of those pieces that you can pass down through generations as well. But yeah, you guys, those have been my 5 handbags that I have in my collection that I genuinely think are actually worth the money. Let me know in the comments what you think of my handbags that I showed today. Let me know in the comments any bags that you have that you genuinely think are worth the money and that you would recommend to other people, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!